Just run it back, give me 5 whole minutes. I am Victor on the inside burning. I've got a ghost in the hallway grinning, and a heavy head that won't stop turning. If my fate is a bad collision, and if my mind is an open highway, give me the twilight two-way vision. Give me one last ride on a sunset skylake. Call me when you get the chance. I can feel the walls around me closing in. Just running forward, alive like wires, as I see the past on an empty ceiling. I play along with the life signs anyway, but hope to God you don't know this feeling. Yet in reverse you were all my symmetry. A parallel I would lay my life on. So if your wings won't find you heaven, I will bring it down like an ancient bygone. Call me when you have the time. I just need to leave this part of me behind. Do you remember me? When the rain gathers, and do you still believe that nothing else matters for me? It's still the autumn leaves, these ancient canopies that we used to lay beneath. No, but no, the night belongs to you. This power's broken through. I must be someone new. No, for me, it's still the autumn leaves. These ancient canopies we used to lay beneath. The night belongs to you. This power's broken through. I must be someone new. Sun black in the low light, turning the vine. We tangle endlessly, like lovers entwined. I know for the last time you will